Hi folks, welcome back. This is Cyber Gypsy, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to bring the Windows taskbar icons to the center of the taskbar or to the left of the taskbar. Now in Windows 11 you may know that all these icons were shifted to the middle just like in Mac OS, but some of us don't really like it and want the icons to be just on the bottom left just like in Windows 10. I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, I've already put them in the bottom left because I like it that way. Now if you want to do the same, just follow along. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is head over to the taskbar itself and right click on it, and you can see an option called taskbar settings. You click on it and it'll take you to the settings. Now if you scroll down, there's an option called taskbar behaviors option. Now if you click on the toggle down option here, you'll see some other options, and the first one is taskbar alignment. As you can see, I've set it to left, that's why all these options are showing on the left. Now if you want to bring it back to the center, you just simply click on center, and there you go, all these icons are in the center. Now again, if you want to take them back to the bottom left, which I prefer, you can just simply click on the left and they'll be back to the bottom left. And that's how you do it. That's how you change the position of the Windows taskbar icons in Windows 11. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching.